Hi, precious lives. Hope you're doing awesome. Today I have the crispiest plantain chips for you. So I have beautiful plantains, nicely washed. I'm going to peel them nicely and slice. So plantains are gluten-free and low in starch, so they are very healthy. You can enjoy this as a snack, anything. These are very popular in Ghana as a street food, and here I'm sharing with you a very simple recipe of how to go about it. As always, thank you for your support. I use a peeler to peel it. Nice hot oil on medium heat. Putting beautiful sliced plantains in there. So we're going to fry it until it's nice and crisp. Plantains are filled with iron and good for you nutrients. Use any oil of your choice. And then as the plantain crisps up, a little more to go, and this is all done in real time. It happens very fast. It all took like a minute. So as it crisps up, that you almost see that this is nice and done, we're going to add some salt to it, and this is how we're going to mix some water with salt to the taste of the ocean. At this stage, it's crisp up nicely, beautiful. If you don't want salt, you can take it at this stage, but we're going to add salt. So it's a little trick. With the salt water, you put it in, it's going to bubble. Oil and water doesn't mix, but we're going for a texture here. So it's going to bubble, and it's going to bubble. You're going to stir it up so it doesn't splash all over the place. Just stand back. And then when it stops bubbling really, really loud, like this, and then it's ready. It's going to be nice and nicely salted and crispy. And drain it. Next batch goes in. We do the same until it's done. I'm going to do another one just to show you. So it's almost crisp. We're going to add salt water to it. Salt water goes in, loud bubbling sound. And it's done. We repeat the process. As always, thank you for your support. I appreciate your love and your interest in my work. I hope you find this recipe helpful, and you deserve to give this a try. And let me know. God bless you, and enjoy the video. Assam Kushum